is saturated more common than unsaturated phosphatidyl choline. Okay. So, this is account for 20%. Appear in fetal lung. So, this is another questions. 20 week of gestational age. Appear in amniotic fluid in between 28 to 32 week of gestational age and mature level. Okay, and the pulmonary after 35 week of gestational age. Okay, the third generation new synthetic surfactant is CHF5633. So, the sinapuldite and dosapultite second generation, calpractin natural, and this is the third generation, that is CHF5633. Okay, so the answer will be A. The normal storage pool of surfactant in preterm infant is 1 to 3, 4 to 5, 10 to 15 and 50 to 100. So, in the preterm, the storage pool is only 4 to 5 mg per kg. Okay. So, the answer will be B.